Hi, welcome all. This is after long time we are having this session for new project. So in this project, let's start with password manager, which I have already created code for you. So instead of typing one code at a time, it is whole code available. So you can go through. I will just try to explain what is the logic behind that, and will share the detail in description if required. So let's start with this code. First, we will input library random and array. So random is required, so instead we will be having password which from random characters. So this library required, and array will be like those will be in format of array. So that's why maximum length for password will be 12. So most of the time it will be 8 to 12, and 12 is considered as uh, good password or strong password. So hence we will go for 12. That is max length. You can update accordingly as per your requirement. So we will run this as well. So next is digit, lowercase, uppercase and symbol. These are simply nothing else but characters from keyboard. Like digits are like 0 to 9 number. A lowercase is lower character for A to Z, and uppercase is upper character capital letters of A to Z, and symbols are at, hashtag, dollar, percentage, all the remaining special characters. So most of the times password will be considered as good if we have at least one like upper character, lower character, one number and one special character. So we will be having all types of minimum requirement for strong password. Then we will go for combined. Like it will just combination of digital digit, uppercase, lowercase and symbol. So this particular arrays we already created, so we will just combine that. So once we have okay, once we run this particular code, then we can see like it will have like all the digits, lowercase, uppercase and symbol as well. Then we will go for randomly choose in one character from each above list. So this step will meet minimum requirement of password, that is at least on character in caps, number or special character. So out of this 12, first we will complete the minimum requirement, that is at least have one character from each arrays which I have created. So like digit, symbol, lowercase, uppercase. So first we will take at least one character. So we will run this code. Then we will just create temp pass from that like a random digit, random symbol which we have created from related arrays. So lowercase, random, lowercase, low uppercase. Once we run this code, we will get random character. So it will have one number character, one upper character, one lower character and one special character. So from that 12 minimum requirement of character, we already have 4. So what is left now? 8 character. So in the next step we will create the remaining part. So in this loop we try to like remaining length password randomly. So temp pass, we will have temp pass plus random choice combined. So this is temp pass, we will have this one, and also in addition to that random choice from combined, that is this one combined part. We will have random choice from this remaining 8 character. So once we have that, we will in last step we will try to shuffle that or like generated 8 characters, because when we try to rerun many times this code, there will be pattern created. So instead of removing pattern, we will shuffle that generated 8 characters. And last, we will create actual password here, where temp pass list. So this temp pass list it is generated here from that temp pass, this one, and a random choice combined. So this temp pass, so password will be early at start it will be blank, and last it will be combined like password with this one. And in the last step we will check if what our required password is generated or not. So you can check like this password, these characters are already present here, like 0, it is 0, A combine capital A here, E small e is here, and percentage. So you can see 12 characters are generated, but minimum required character which we have created in temp pass, it is not same, it is not in same order, it is again shuffled here. So you can get like maximum like strong character password generated here. So this all about creating password this password generator. So you can modify this particular code as per your requirement, like if you want only 8 characters or not, if your organization or you want only digit, lowercase, uppercase, but not symbols you do not want, then you can update that field as well. Or instead of here you want any other characters like from other script, you can mention that as well here. So at the in output you can get desired output. So that's it for today. We have tried to create a password with max strength, so it will be so strong, because many time when we try to choose password on a regular basis in organization or personal use, we try to just modify few of the character from previous one and try to keep most of the part of password ongoing basis. But it is danger for, because as per data security or privacy, you need to generate password which will have random and not related to previous one. So this particular code can help you to create meet that requirement. So I hope it will be useful for to as you as well. So let's meet in next session with another project interesting, and let's have fun in next session as well. Thank you.